Hey y'all, Tammy here with Happy Art Creations and welcome to my today. Well, today I'm doing a request. I've been working on the little blooms and posting them at Happy Art Creations on my Facebook page and on Instagram. I'm kind of experimenting still, so I haven't really posted a video as of yet, but I asked somebody what color combination they might be interested in, and Patchy Ann, one of my peeps, says she wanted dark blue, magenta, and gold. So, okay, I'm going to do dark blue. This here is a mixture of Soho mineral blue, and I added a few, I'd say 2 drops of the Amsterdam acrylic ink. Okay, so it's really pretty. And then she asked for magenta, so I have Liquitex right here. Liquitex, quinacridone, magenta. Now, both of these have a little bit of Sargent's iridescent. And she asked for gold. And so I went ahead and mixed up a little bit of the 24 karat gold by Deco Art. Okay, my paint today, my base paint is, oh geez, it was BEHR. This is all I have, so I can't mess up. Okay, it was the BEHR interior exterior ultra white number 7050. It's super thick. I did have to water it down. I was finding that some of my stuff wasn't drying as well, and I'm thinking it's this, or I'm not spinning off enough. So let me move these out of the way. And because I think I'm going to spin a little bit harder, a little bit firmer to get more of that white paint off, I put it in my big giant tub. I get this is a concrete tub. Oh, I don't know what size it is. I have said before. Let's see. Let me get my big old, okay. It is approximately, we're going to say 3 foot by 2 foot-ish. 3 foot by 2 foot. It's big. You can put a lot of stuff in here. Bigger, 12 by 12 easily, 14 by 14. I'm not so sure. You're kind of pushing it a little bit, but I like this one, and I have a round one. Let me move it that way a little bit. I have a round one that that I like. It's a little bit smaller, but I just wanted to use this one. This is my standby. This here is a classic collection, which is, it's wet because I sprayed it. It is a gallery wrap, but it's a standard depth. Okay, so I sprayed it, taped it. Anyhow, I really like these, and I like it that they round off. They're not sharp, so the paint just kind of rolls off, and that is from Hobby Lobby. This is kind of, it's not the ones with the staple back, it's the one in between the gallery wrapped deep sides. Okay, so anyhow, I like it. So we're going to get started. I got my paints. Yep. All right. My blow dryers, one of them's too big, my other one doesn't even work, and then my little guy decided just up and die. It doesn't even work. Yeah, so I'm going to be mouth blowing these. Okay, this is a 6 by 6 square. So I'm going to go ahead and just add that in there. Well, I could probably do another one with what's left if I behave myself. If I behave myself. So let me just spin this a little. Okay. And as you can see, I've got this covered with plastic underneath this, but I like to use this wax paper. I get this at Walmart, and I guess you can get it other places, but anyhow, I get it at Walmart, and I like to, when I'm done, I just pick it up and throw it in the trash unless I'm saving something off of that, making jewelry or something, which I don't do a whole lot of that anymore. Now I'm just kind of putting paint where there's a little dry spots, because we know paint goes to paint, so I want a little bit of something everywhere. And this will all smooth out, so I'm not going to worry about it too much. Okay. Oh, now I didn't get my napkins out, and you know what? House paint is messy. Alright, I did stir this, so you know what happened now, right? Let me go ahead and, y'all, I love these little sticks. I guess they're little sandwich sticks, I don't know. They were in some stuff that when Dad passed away, they were in his kitchen. I thought, I bet I could use those. So, I did. Now, I did put about 6 or 8 sprays of water in my little cup to thin that down just a little bit, and I put some GAC 800 just to squirt, and I put a little bottle of it here. It's just easier for me to handle, but GAC 800 from Glidden. Okay, I'm hoping that these dry better. Now, why am I blowing it? Because it's paint, and it's house paint. And you can't hardly use the, what's it call it on it? Your torch. Okay, so let's see. I think I'm gonna, this is gonna be very basic then. Give it one more last spin. There's still quite a bit of paint still on there. Pretty basic colors. So I hope this works out. My my mix is Glidden Semi-Gloss Deep Base 3. Now I've got the big can of that, and I get that at Home Depot. And I use the MINWAX 1 coat polyurethane. It's like 3 coats in one, so it's super thick. It's definitely thicker than the polyacrylic. And I get that at Home Depot, not Home Depot, Lowe's. Okay, yeah. So, and I mix it 50-50, just 1 to 1. Okay, so here we go. I'm not gonna, this is just a simple little 6x6. So part of my problem is I think I've been just putting too much. Okay, oh, that's a pretty color. Pink or magenta is what she requested, and that's what I'm giving her. Quinacridone magenta and my 24 karat gold. And that is not going to be behaved. All right. So here we go. All right, and I'm gonna make this little, okay? So let's just see, by keeping it simple, what the colors, because I want to put more, you know. So I'm just gonna mouth blow this. Ready? Oh, might have overblown it. That's my problem. Okay. But that's okay. I think this is very pretty. I can always add a little bit more of something, which I just might. Like right in here, I blew too much. And why am I doing that? Because I want to get some gold and some pink in there. So, I don't know. Colors are gorgeous. Now, whether or not my composition turns out right, I don't know. Let me get my little dude here. I don't know why I didn't get it out sooner, but oh, good grief! Come on. All right, that won't work. This here is one of my what's it call it? Crochet hooks that were my Nana's, and I like to divide these up and make them a little bit more floral like that. So, and this will come together, so I'm going to divide this one up too, and I am going to use some of that as its little stem. Okay. Oh, that's pretty right in here. I gotta be careful. I don't want to overdo it, so let's just work that way. Bring this one in here and bring it down too, so I can get a little bit more. This is very pretty, and I'm just gonna do a little bit, you know, not too much. I'm inspired by Nikki D. She has some beautiful art. And one of the things I like is simple beauty, and sometimes I have a hard time. I mean, nature is intricate. I love this right in here. Nature is so intricate, right? And it's just so pretty. All right, I'm gonna be very careful. I don't want to do too much because I don't want this to flow over. But I do like the picture. I love this. So I wonder if I just bring that down. We're almost done, guys. What do you think, Patchy Ann? Let me know, okay? I'll let you know that I posted it. But I do like it, and I'm glad I put some of that other color in it. Let's bring that down just a hair. There. Remember, this is your art, so, you know, do what you like. If you like to add, improvise, you know, I end up doing it, but I think that this is gorgeous, so here we go. Like that. Now I think that's pretty. Alright, I'm going to spin it gently. I don't want it to go over the side. I don't want that going. So, let me move it this way. I did this the other day and it just went nuts. Okay, that's better. I like it. That opened up, which I like. What I wish I had is some more pink. So, okay guys, you know what I'm fixing to do, right? I want to add some more pink over here. Remember, I just did a little bit. Well, that came out a lot. I am going to have to be careful. A little bit of gold. I'm going to leave the blue alone. And just hope and pray I don't ruin it now that I've done. But I'm going to lift it up. Now, let's see if I can fix what I've done. Okay. Now, oops. Probably should have left it alone, but you know I didn't. But I think what it did was that it balanced both sides. So honestly, I think it's gorgeous. What do you think? Make sure I don't have anything on my... I'm praying that this dries better than yesterday's mess. They're drying okay. They're drying okay, but they're a little, right up in here, there's a little bit of cracky mess. But I think it will work in the long run. You know, some people can use these and they're just so easily done. They just like, okay, but I don't do so well on them. Is that the same one? It doesn't feel like it. So, these places that are just... I think it turned out gorgeous. There. Okay, we're going to call this one done. We're going to call it Most Beautiful. I'm going to check for little bubbles. I think this is gorgeous. What you think, Patchy Ann? I did what you said, and I think it turned out gorgeous. Yep, and I'm going for these bubbles so that... Like these here, I don't want them there, so I'm going to gently make it part. I love this right here. That is so pretty, and I'm glad I did my little swirls. I like what I do on that stuff, so I know you're saying stop. I just want to do something right there. I'll do the same over here and make them uplifting. uplifting. Yeah. Okay, guys, I think this is gorgeous, and I think Patchy Ann's gonna love it. Alrighty, I'll bring that up. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. And share it with your friends. Watch a little bit longer. Again, I keep saying it, is that YouTube thinks it's important for me to have more views. So I think that's important too then. And it would be beneficial. So anyhow, and subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And if you are, thank you so very much. We have a new Facebook page. It's fairly new. We're still building our tribe. And anyhow, we're still building our tribe. And so go ahead and say, hey, I want to join, I want to join, I want to join, okay? The only place I didn't do any of this right in here, and I'm just going to do it. There we go. I'm done. I'm done. I say it as, there we go. That's better. Okay, guys, I love you much. Love you very much. And ask that you spark some happy with someone else today. Spark some happy in their heart. Remember, this is a hard time, and I guess any time can be a hard time, but especially lately with all that's going on, I just, you know, spark some happy in someone's heart. Some people just want to be seen. Some people just want to be heard. Some people just need a smile. So anyhow, go ahead and do that. And I wish you the best day ever. Okay, I'll see you next time here on Happy Art Creations. Toodaloo. Toodaloo. Goodbye now.